maraming mga addict, may madaming mga artist na nag-addict, namatay sa overdose ng drugs kasi nag-drugs sila. It's their problem. I mean, I'm not saying na huwag niyo silang kaawaan or wala silang problema. I'm just saying na I don't believe na kailangan mo mag-drugs para makagawa ka ng art. Art is not about drugs, getting high. Art is the high. Yun yung ginagawa mo para ma-high ka. Yun yung art. And that's why I call my podcast, myself, as an art addict. Kasi, imbis na, nung narealize ko yun, imbis na, I'm taking drugs to get high, I'm making art to get high. Art is my addiction. Therefore, I am an art addict.